Today, I'm opening a spring brunch cafe at home, a little Peter Rabbit themed table for my family. I'm going to make a centerpiece with carrots and flowers. I saved these ideas from Pinterest. I'm so excited to try it today. To help my kids enjoy more veggies, I made a little mini garden inspired by the book. I roasted rainbow carrots. It looks like a little edible garden. Of course, French toast from my favorite brunchy restaurant, and Peter Rabbit's favorite carrot cake. And today's main event, build your own omelet bar. Alright, let's get started.
맛있어.
I like it. Stop. Yeah. Very good.
Thank you for waiting. Yeah, thank you.
By the way, it's Disney. Tell me what it is.
I think that's a. Asparagus, spinach.
Tomatoes.
Tomatoes? Okay, come here. I'll help you.
surprise right.
It's okay.
Oh, look.
Use the bunny